Take command of the road in the 2013 Ford Explorer. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors and seats, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, adjustable pedals, and leather upholstery. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.